Today we're making nice sensory boxes for Nash and Rev. Here we have some colored rice. What color does it look like? Kind of like the ocean? Hint, hint. Here we have some stuff that we're going to put in the construction sensory bin. First we have this truck. We have our construction dude. These are all cool construction vehicles. And a nice tree for our construction site. We added a couple of rocks too. Pretty cool construction site. Next, for our ocean box, I found these really cool shells. What else goes in an ocean box? Maybe some sea glass? Nice colorful rocks. Some sea creatures, maybe some fish or some whales or a shark. Let's go see what we can find. Here we go. We're all ready to fill our ocean sensory bin. There's a whale, an orca whale, a seal, another whale, and a dolphin. Let's go get Nash and Rev. Who's here? Rev!
Over there!
What's that?
Wow!
Nash, that's a construction site.
Wow!
Come on, Revy. Let's go see.
Wait, walk.
Wow,
It's a big walk.
it is a big rock.
What's it?
That's stuff that you find in the ocean.
It's not in the ocean.
Is that the water of the ocean? And seashells.
Wow!
Nice toys. What's this?
Nice
Is this a bigger? There's a small one and a big one. And that's your construction worker, Nash. Can you say construction worker?
Wow!
He's the worker.
Wow! Mom, what's that?
Those are big rocks on the construction site.
Wow, what's this?
That's like sand, dirt. Look, wow. Very cool, Nash. Wow, Revy. Can you find the seashells? Wow, look at the seashells, Nash. And the nice rocks and sea glass. Can you say sea glass?
Sea glass.
Yeah, it's nice and smooth glass that gets smoothed by the water and the salt in the water. Makes it nice and smooth.
And a whale.
There's the whale's eye. And the blowhole. Nice tail. Look, Nash, what's this? Is this a dolphin?
They ate.
Is it an egg or is it a rock? Smooth rock.
Wow.
let's see the truck do some digging. And this one can plow the dirt out of the way. Maybe next time we can fill it with sand. What color is it, Ash?
Red.
What color is this?
Green.
Is that a seashell?
There. Under.
Wow,
Under.
that's so nice. Sometimes you find shells when you go to the beach. It's a dolphin. Nice whale, Rev.